This is my 1988 GZ20 Toyota Soarer. It's a factory manual, running a 3-inch straight pipe through with a 1GZ20 twin turbo, running a 15-inch R-type Wantanabes old type with a 1/860 tyre. Coming through to the interior, it's the sought after black interior, factory manual, have a genuine 512 Testarossa steering wheel and a shirts tucked in shift knob and boot with some garage moon power floor mats. And then I got custom front vents done for the front. Come around to the front. Also running some Tavolente baby turbo mirrors off old school Italian cars. It's been a long work in progress at the moment, still some things here and there, but overall pretty happy with how it's come out.